Hi, my name is Carol Ann, and I do research at Tech on the structure of photosystem 2 using cryogenic electron microscopy. As the president, I oversee our 5 committees: campus relations, events, advertising, outreach, and internal, which I know you'll hear more about from our marvelous VPs. I am also responsible for meeting with our advisors to ensure that we are able to use our resources to help the most students possible. As the president, I work closely with the vice presidents of each committee, and especially so with our executive vice president to help the collaborative efforts between our committees.
Hello, my name is Julia Woodall. I'm a recent graduate of Georgia Tech, but while there, I researched the cellular deformation of red blood cells and different clotting disorders. I also served as a undergraduate research ambassador for over 3 years. As EVP, I worked to facilitate intercommittee collaboration, as well as support the president in maintaining and running the internal logistics of the organization. Every month or so, internal will plan and conduct some wacky get-together. In the past, it's been making pizzas together, playing Among Us on Tech Green, and even going out for sushi. So it's definitely a really fun part of URA.
Hi, my name is Kavya, and I do neuroscience research through Emory and Tech on visual and cognitive deficits caused by Alzheimer's. The Campus Relations Committee seeks to create and maintain relationships with organizations all across campus. We pursue tabling opportunities in order to increase participation in undergraduate research. We currently present to GT 1000 and GT 2000, as well as BMES and a host of other organizations.
Hi, my name is Anna Marie, and I've done research at Tech on the subjects of electrochemical water treatment and carbon emissions technologies. So we're in charge of volunteer tracking, attendance, management of the URA alumni network and resources, organizational works, recruitment, and socials such as birthday celebrations, shout outs, and social nights. We're really all about providing support and enjoyment to all of our members.
Hi, I'm Primi, and I do research in the field of predictive medicine using machine learning models. So we have events for students who are looking to get involved in research, but also events for the research community in itself, so helping students connect with other researchers in their field. We also help out with URA events such as the Spring Research Symposium.
Hi, my name is Charlie Wood, and I did organic synthesis research in the Leota Lab. The advertising committee manages our social media and website. We work hard to maintain our brand and help build a research community at Tech, especially by sharing research memes or showing off our research-related hobbies on our Insta story. Follow us on our Instagram at GT_URA or our Facebook page, or even our tab on the URA website to stay up to date. And if you really want to acknowledge someone, like a friend or a professor, for the awesome work they do in research, feel free to DM us.
During office hours, ambassadors provide members of the Georgia Tech community mentoring and support on most research matters. So this can include advising on research opportunities, access to our database of research opportunities across all disciplines and majors, resume review, and help with writing proposals or creating posters, among other inquiries.
For our general meetings, we meet once a week on Tuesdays from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. During this time, we usually play an icebreaker activity to just have fun and relax as a group, and then we go through the announcements from each committee. This ensures that all of the undergraduate research ambassadors are up to speed on what is happening in the organization as a whole, as opposed to just knowing what's going on within your own committee. Once we are done with all the announcements from all the committees, as well as the president, we split up into our own committees to discuss any work that needs to be done and divide responsibilities up between committee members.
Another responsibility for our ambassadors are our volunteer events, such as the Research Open House, pre-grad and pre-health research coffee hours, diversity panels, summer research opportunities workshops. One of our biggest events each semester, though, is the Research Fair, which is essentially the career fair but for research, where multiple labs will attend and present to students who are looking for research.
I think my favorite thing about URA is the group of people. I have learned about research, opportunities, shared experiences, and on-campus involvements that I would have never been exposed to without this group. And particularly as I started as a younger member, I was able to look up to my fellow bright and passionate members. I've always felt continually welcomed by them. URA has really grown into a support network and an integral part of my positive experience at Tech and in all of my research pursuits.
Hi, my name is Hannah, and I do research in biology education. I analyze the differences in knowledge organization between novices and experts in the field utilizing a card sorting task. You should join URA because you'll be surrounded by like-minded individuals who are dedicated and passionate about research. It is such a tight-knit, fun community, and I think that the social aspect really makes it feel like home. You'll also be given the unique opportunity to help students of diverse majors, diverse backgrounds obtain research positions, and also be their helping hand whenever they're lost or have questions.
Hi, my name is Shufi, and I'm currently researching Bartholdi's Bucket Brigade conjecture. At URA, a large part of what we do is we distribute information about research to the undergraduate community to help them get more involved. Getting started in undergraduate research can be daunting, and a lot of students might be confused on where to go. And at URA, what we do is we nudge them in the right direction, we show them opportunities, we help them draft emails to professors, and we help them find that perfect research throw that they might be looking for.
Hi everyone, my name is Nikita. I'm an international student from Ukraine. Although I'm just a freshman, I was already able to become research assistant at the Origami Lab. All of it happened thanks to the workshops I've attended from undergraduate research ambassadors, where they told me literally everything from finding the research all the way to emailing the professor. I just followed the instructions and boom, now I'm a paid research assistant all in my first year. So thank you guys.
Hey, I'm Jordan, and I spent 3 semesters doing research on powered exoskeletons and human biomechanics in the EPIC lab. URA really helped me in pretty much every aspect of getting into research, from figuring out what areas of research I was actually interested in, all the way through helping me get in contact with professors on my own. They did this in a very manageable way without it being overwhelming, which was especially helpful for me as a student athlete, considering time and energy were not exactly things I had extra of. Since then, anyone who has asked me about advice on getting involved in research, I've sent them to URA without a doubt.